The technology curriculum map is now in Rubicon Atlas. If you'd like to use it to develop a unit, you'll click Develop and select your classroom. So let's say that I'm working in grade 6. I'm going to create a unit on website research, but I'm going to start by copying a unit. I'm going to click the Copy Unit button. And the course that I'm going to copy from, I'm going to choose the core maps instead of a teacher map. The subject is Information Technology and the grade is 6th grade. When I browse, I'm going to find the grade 6 technology map. If I'm not sure what I want, I can click on this little magnifying glass to view the unit. This unit talks about preparing slide notes, listing search engines, comparing contrasting search engines and websites, and using digital tools for accuracy, relevance, and appropriateness. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So my action is going to be to copy the unit. It's going to go into my 6th grade. I'm going to copy the unit, and yes, I'm sure that I want to copy it in there. So now here's Research and Information Fluency. I can click the green arrow and rename it. And I'm going to start this in week 3, and I think it's going to take me to week 9. Remember, you can put your mouse on the red bar and drag it around, or use the handles at the ends to stretch or compress. Now I can click on the title, and at this point I can choose to keep the standards from the New Jersey State Standard that came with this unit, or delete standards if they don't fit. I'm not going to be having a presentation with this, and if you'd like, you can highlight things and change the way they look with the formatting. You could add your own assessments. You can reflect on potential gospel values that came from the technology curriculum map and remove or add as you see fit. And then you could add your own learning activities and resources and save the unit. If at the same time as you are working on judging website content, you're also teaching them a technology skill, we can take a look and browse the curriculum maps, Information Technology, grade 6, but again, a core map. And now I can take a look at everything. So as I'm working on this lesson, I might at the same time be working on a communication and collaboration skill of turning in an assignment in our learning management system. It could be Edmodo or Google Classroom or something else. We could also be working on communicating with teachers and classmates in that learning management system and replying and perhaps having a discussion. So if all of these things are going on concurrently with the other project, I may want to consider copying this unit. So I'm going to click on that green arrow, copy unit to again my grade 6 technology, and now I'm going to rename this unit. This is going to start at week 4, but we're going to have that ongoing for the next few months. When I go to click on the unit title, we have our text standard. We're going to be working on some digital citizenship ideas, and we can decide if any of these gospel values are going to be something that we're going to be working on within this lesson. This is how you're going to be able to now develop your Rubicon Atlas units to be able to bring in the standards. It will help you quickly build your units based on what's in the technology curriculum map.